11:15. Now we mentioned the speakers there. Today you're getting a double helping because they will be taking your calls in the phone in.
Yes, there they are. Morning, Nick and Eva. So what do you want people to call you about today?
You know, we'd love to hear from you if you've got an unusual phobia, you're struggling with panic attacks, or you're just feeling generally anxious.
Oh, do you know what? Maybe you're confident in the time world because maybe something that's happened in the past or that's going on, in your life right now. Or maybe even you've got some sort of an addiction to something that we all take for granted, like coffee or food, or maybe even shopping. So whatever it is, we're here to help. Give us a call.
Oh dear, dear, dear.
There's the number on the screen to call Nick and Eva, 08000 30 40 44, or you can download our free...
Den, den, den.
You need to leave a contact number so we can get back in touch.
Den, den.
And do all that by 11:15 so we can get those on air. And you'll be 18 minutes.
Front pages of the papers most of the weekend, and into today the plea from the ISIS bride to be allowed to return home after giving birth to her baby over the weekend. And what's more is that we have now heard that plea spoken in her own words.
Do you know what Islamic State were doing when you
Den, den.
left Syria?
God almighty.
Because they had beheaded people, there were executions.
Yeah, I knew about those things and I was okay with it. I think a lot of people
Den, den.
influenced me for,
Den, den.
when
As soon as I say that, eh?
I didn't
Eh?
know what I was getting into when I left and I just
Den, den, den.
really
That seems to set you off, eh?
They let me come back.
Do you feel that you have made
Fluffed up little male
In a
turkey.
way, yes, but
That is a
I
tom.
don't regret
A
it.
male turkey is called a tom.
Changed
Den, den, den. That's it. And as soon as I say den, den, which means turkey in French,
my husband. I wouldn't
he
have
makes a
my
racket.
life in the UK. I had my kids.
Den, den.
I did have a good time there.
Yes.
So then things got hard.
There we go.
I couldn't take it anymore.
Are you going out now? Oh, God almighty. I'll stop talking to you. Shwirtle, chortle, grunt.
And beside him, she was a family lawyer. That's Tasman Akunji with this.
Mon, mon petit chouchou.
Please, as we see here from the Telegraph, show me
Right, where are the others? Well, they're not coming, are they? Den, den, den. Marsha, Marsha. Marsha. Oh, that's it. The dog's food's over the floor now. Hey, da da da. Look what you've done. Oh, it's empty. It's all right. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, tap tap tap. Well, are you going out? Are you going out or what? Eh? Hey, Tom Tom. Den den den. You want the females to come as well. That's what all this is about, isn't it? I mean, look at your feet. I mean, it's all mess, 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 mess. Now what? You're coming back in again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, den den. Look, are you lot coming out? Oh, what a disaster here. Den den den. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, you're not interested, are you? Den den. Den den. Now what do you want? Eh? Sava, Sava. Right, den den.
Well, she's